Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Standing. Attention. Standing. Attention. Now all of you be ready for next one.
Everywhere, okay?
Play by USB drive. Play by USB drive.
Hands cover up. hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand teach, attention. Stand teach, attention. I like to call the respected speakers to the JSC.
Good morning to you all. My name is Dilna from grade 6.
Start addressing
It's
correctly.
standing in front of you to
Oh,
tell you.
hello
Good morning, Principal sir, Vice Principal, brothers, sisters, and my dear
Teacher.
friends.
Say again.
And very warm good morning to respected Vice Sir, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friends. It's me, Mr. Sai from grade 8 from BL batch of 2018, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet story on the topic of three artists. Now, without wasting my time, I'd like to start my story. Three artists. Long ago, there lived three artists who was very accomplished to art. They were very talented. It was very difficult to judge who was the best, and there was one competition held. The first artist printed a flower. It looked so real that we can come and stay in there. And second artist, draw a basket of fruit, and third artist draw a cotton. And there was a final result, and everyone was so excited who was the best. The second one printed a basket of fruits. It was looking so real that every animals can come and eat the fruits. But the third one, cotton, was so real. It related to living beings, and the third one get the first position. And the moral of the story that best one always take a first place. Thank you and have a good day, everyone.
My name is Dennis Lama from grade 6, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic of my memorable day. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organization which organized this type of program to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic is like this: my memorable day. All have its own memorable day. Some are bad or some are good. My memorable day was 2018, March 20. That time was my birthday. That time I wake up at 6 a.m. and I'm going through the temple to get blessings, and that time friends also coming to celebrate my birthday. Thank you.
Hands cover up, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand teach, attention. Stand teach, attention. Now all of you be ready for master.